US30 and US100 both with the opening up with the gap up open today has achieved the critical resistance zone at 31,400 500, and see, these are the levels I have always maintained to be critical resistance. Similarly 11,400 500, it has gone close to 11,500 and then reversed. Now see, this is the power of levels, and yes, I have told you in my weekly analysis, I have told you in my daily analysis several times that these are going to be the key levels beyond which definitely we can see it flying high. Now it is trying to get a pullback, either it is a gap filling exercise or we are going to look forward to a drop. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. The next update will be up before the US cash session. Do watch it also. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. First we'll look into US100 followed with US30. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. Trade it only as per the levels and trade profitably. Trade with the stop loss. Now look at the hourly charts on US100. Yes, there is a gap of which what we have seen, and see, it is trying to fill this gap. Definitely there is a support there at 11,300, 11,280 levels. Only below 11,280 you can expect 11,200. The major support will come into picture. I have always maintained 11,200 and 140. See, above 11,200 it is 300, 400, 500, which are the key resistance level. Plus minus 10, 20 I will avoid it. And yes, 11,140 is the pivot. Below that certainly you can expect more bearishness, which might take it till towards 11,000 levels. Now see, on the hourly charts you can find out it is trying to trade bearish, and this is expanding in nature. This is expanding in nature, indicating that we may get a slide down there, and there could be a bigger candle which is waiting for it. Be careful. Yes, it can try to take it till towards 11,280 and fill the gap out there. Now let's have a look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, third successive red candle after achieving the highs, taking it close to 11,500. This is the third successive red candle. Again, 11,280 should be a very good support there. Below that you can expect 11,200 levels to get seen, and then 11,140 will come into picture. Be careful. Yes, you can buy above 11,400. 11,280 and 400. Do not trade above 11,400. Certainly we can expect another round of bullishness. Look at the 3-hour chart, second red candle. We can expect further more red candles. You cannot deny it. 11,280, 250, 200 levels to get achieved, and if it drops below 11,200 and 140, certainly more bearishness will be seen. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, second red candle, and probably it may continue with this bearish momentum, taking it at least till towards 11,280 levels, which might prove out to be a good support. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts too, see the previous candles, it has given lower highs, lower lows, and yes, there is a gap. Probably it is trying to fill this gap, coming back till towards 11,280 to 50 levels, and then in fact it can try to take it further below till towards 11,200, and probably couple of red candles, then a stronger rise towards the end of the week again can be expected, which might take it below beyond 11,500 levels. Now right now, see, remember this fact, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel, achieving the highs out there. The bottom is there at 11,100 and 11,000 levels. Till the time it trades above 11,000, possibility of a bounce back exists, and hence you have to trade with caution. You can sell there at 11,280, expect 11,250, 11,200, 11,140, 11,100, and in fact below that 11,000 levels to be seen. Take your positions accordingly. On the upside you can buy there at 11,400. Beyond 11,400 certainly more bullishness can be seen, but 11,450, 11,500 are the major resistances. Beyond that it is going to fly high. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Today I have eliminated the indicators from the charts and keeping it plain and simple. Maybe later in the day we will come back with the indicators. Right now, keeping it short and simple. See, look at the hourly charts here on US30. You can find out this is also trying to fill this gap. 31,000 major support, which it is trying to achieve. Probably we may see it coming back to these levels and fill the gap on the charts. On the 2-hour charts, yes, this is the third red candle. 31,000 seems feasible, which it is trying to achieve, and in fact below that 30,800 is the major support. We have to wait for it to achieve those levels. 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. Third red candle, and also this is probably giving a breakout. Only buy entries above 31,200, above which you can expect 31,300, and then above 300 only more bullishness will be seen. Else it is trying to show you a reversal. Possibility exists that we may see 3,800, 3,600, and in fact 3,200 levels before it tries to bounce back again. Look at the 4-hour chart. Similarly, trying to reverse 31,000 appears inevitable. appears that we may see this zone, and in fact we can see it coming back to 30,800 levels. You have to trade with caution there. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, gap up, then higher highs, resistance there at 31,500 and trying to. So for the day only you can buy about 31,400, and you can expect that beyond that, rather I will say beyond 31,200 you can itself you can buy. Expect 31,300, 31,400 as the major resistances, and beyond that 31,500. If it trades any point of time above 31,500, certainly one can remain long, one can remain bullish, one can expect it to rise till the time it trades below 31,200. And yes, I will expect 31,140 also to give it a resistance. Till the time it trades below 31,140, you can always expect 31,000 to be seen, 30,800 to be seen, and in fact it can achieve further lows. If it continues to trade, we can expect 30,400 levels to be seen here on Dow Jones before it tries to rise here. Hence, till the time it trades below 31,140, you can remain short. You can expect that probably we may see 31,000 levels and 30,800 levels before it tries to look forward to a bounce back. Any position above 3,200, any move above 31,200, you can expect it to rise more. Beyond 31,200, you can buy. Expect 31,300, 350, 400, and 450 and 500. Till 500, it has got very strong resistance. You have to be careful. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. And today is the festival of lights here in India. Here in the Hindu community, we celebrate this festival. And I pray to the God, to the Almighty, that the light of Diwali brings or fills your life with peace, prosperity, health, and wealth. I pray for you and your family a very happy and prosperous Diwali, and I pray that you trade profitable, you trade with a stop loss, you trade with a trailing stop loss, and on you keep your capital preserved, and it increases day on day basis. So very happy Diwali to you and your family. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do watch the next analysis before the US cash session. Thank you very much.